Good, happy Wednesday evening. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Hurricane Irma blamed for at least 3 deaths brings island to rubble. Hurricane Irma, a record-breaking storm barreling its way through the Caribbean, is forcing evacuations as Florida prepares for the worst. Your 7 p.m. update on this storm. The core of the storm is passing just north of Puerto Rico, an observing site of one of the U.S. territory's islands. Vacuums recently reported a sustained wind of 42 miles per hour and a wind gust of 60 miles per hour, the National Hurricane Center says. Irma's core, with maximum sustained winds of 185 miles per hour, well above the 157 mile per hour threshold of a Category 5, slammed the tiny island of Barbados before hitting St. Martin and Argolina in parts of British Virgin Islands. About 1,080 people lived on Bergeron, Brown said, adding that there currently is no water or phone service for residents. He said one fatality, an infant, had been confirmed. At least 2 people died and 2 others were seriously injured on St. Bart's and St. Martin's, said French Overseas Affairs Minister Antoine Gardin. The islands are French overseas collectivities. Shifting forecasts raised the threat to the southeast from fierce Hurricane Irma on Wednesday and prompted emergency declaration in the Carolinas and coastal Georgia. Georgia Governor Nathan Dale declared a state of emergency early Wednesday for the state's 100-mile swath of Atlantic coast, which was last struck by a hurricane of force Category 3 or higher in 1868. And that does it for my news report and the latest on Hurricane Irma. The Riley King Network will keep you updated on Hurricane Irma and the latest track on this. I hope you all have a great rest of your Wednesday evening. Good night, everyone. Bye.